Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenFit 2 Plus earbuds. I'm going to show you how to parent connect these directly to a Sony Smart TV via Bluetooth. This is the Sony TV that has Google TV. So first thing is, let's put these earbuds in the pairing mode. The buds are currently in the case. Let me open the lid up. I'll know it's in pairing mode if it's blinking green, orange, green, orange. However, I get a solid green light here and then it goes off. The reason for me is because I'm connected to one of my phones right now. So for myself, let me manually put this in a pairing mode. Both the buds are in a case and there's a little button right there. I'm going to press and hold that button until the light starts blinking green, orange, green, orange. Button here, ready, press and hold, keep holding, wait, green, orange, go ahead and let go, and there you go. Now it's in pairing mode, and we're going to hold it just like this. You want to go to your settings on your Sony TV, if you have that button on the remote. If not, just navigate to the home page, click on the home button on the remote, and then go to your gear icon, top right hand side. So let me move all the way over. Oh, right there. Oh, let me go back. Now it's highlighted on all settings right there. Let's select that, or OK that. Left pane here, go down to remotes and accessories. Right there, let's OK that. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on right there, and we're going to go down one and we're going to tap on pair accessory. So let's go with that. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is about 30 feet Bluetooth range. And it did find it up there. And it's already highlighted. I'm going to select on OK on the remote. It says pairing. We should get a pairing request. Pairing request is already highlighted on pair. We're going to select that. It says connecting paired, and down there it says switched audio, and voila, you can see that it says connected right there. So pretty simple. Now, if you have issues pairing or connecting these, you can always perform a factory reset on these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.